You're holding a device that might be completely useless in 5 years. While everyone's arguing about the latest iPhone, Meta just dropped 3 pieces of tech that could make your phone as outdated as a flip phone. What if I told you that Meta's latest announcement isn't just about smart glasses, it's about the biggest shift in how we interact with technology since the first iPhone? Today, I'm breaking down everything Meta revealed at their Connect event. We're talking about glasses that can translate languages in real time, display information directly in your vision, and even read your muscle movements. But there's a massive problem that could stop all of this. Let's start with the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. The biggest complaint about the first version? Dead battery by lunchtime. Meta fixed it. These new glasses last 8 hours. That's double the original. They charge to 50% in just 20 minutes, faster than most phones. The charging case adds 48 hours of juice. The camera got serious. We're talking 3K Ultra HD recording with 60 frames per second and twice the pixels of Gen 1. But here's the mind-blowing part. Live translation in 6 languages. Walk up to someone in Paris, have a conversation, and understand everything through your glasses in real time. Coming later this year, hyperlapse and slow motion recording, cinema quality shots without the bulky gear. Gen 2 starts at $379, Gen 1 drops to $299. But here's where it gets crazy. The Ray-Ban display has a full color screen built into the lens, read messages, preview photos, interact with AI, all without touching your phone. Think about how many times you pull out your phone just to check notifications. These glasses put information directly in your vision. 6 hours battery life, 30 hours with the case. Now here's the sci-fi part, the Meta Neural Band. This wristband reads electrical signals from your muscles. Control your glasses with tiny finger movements that are invisible to others. No touching glasses, no pulling out phones, just subtle gestures that look like magic. Display glasses with Neural Band cost $799. Expensive, but you're basically getting a computer you control with your mind. Meta partnered with Oakley for the Vanguard, glasses built for athletes. IP67 water resistance, Prisium lenses to block sun and dust, speakers 6 decibels louder than before. 3K video recording, 12 megapixel camera, 122-degree wide lens, 9 hours battery life, enough for a marathon. Fast charging gives you 50% in 20 minutes. These cost $499 and launch in multiple countries, with India and Brazil coming later. Here's the issue that could kill this entire vision: privacy and social acceptance. Remember Google Glass? People called users glassholes because nobody wanted cameras constantly recording around them. These glasses are always watching, always listening, and with the neural band monitoring your muscle movements. That's simultaneously amazing and terrifying. Plus, getting all this tech into normal-looking glasses while keeping them light and affordable is incredibly hard. But Meta might actually crack it this time. They're not trying to replace phones immediately. They're building a bridge. The glasses enhance your phone experience while slowly getting you comfortable with face computers. The translation feature alone is revolutionary for travelers and business people. Hands-free recording opens huge possibilities for creators and athletes. The Neural Band solves the biggest problem: how to control a face computer without looking weird. We might be seeing the beginning of the end for smartphones as we know them. Not today, but maybe in 5 to 10 years. If your glasses can show information, take photos, translate languages, play music, and respond to gestures, what do you need your phone for? Meta is playing the long game. Gen 2 for people testing the waters, Display for early adopters wanting the full experience, Vanguard for athletes needing durability. Each targets different users but moves toward the same goal: computers on faces, not in pockets. The question isn't whether this tech is cool. It obviously is. It's whether people will actually wear it. Based on what Meta showed, they might have cracked the code. Your smartphone isn't dying tomorrow, but it might want to start worrying. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next big story in AI.